Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Potion for Learning. Today we are going to play and learn. We are going to make ladybug, and for that I have two stones, one a kind of circle shape and the other one a kind of oval shape. And I have three colors. These are poster colors: red, black and white. So first we are going to paint the stones with red color. For this we are not using brush, we are just using our fingers. So let's begin. You need to paint it like this. Just the upper portion. Paint it more than the half portion of the stone, but not the full. So here our two ladybugs or ladybirds are ready to be painted black, but for this we need to wait for another 5 minutes. Let it dry first. So after keeping it for dry for 3 to 5 minutes, you can then use the black color. So first we are going to make curve. So now after making C, we are going to paint this whole area with the black paint. Okay. So you need to let it dry for another 1 to 2 minutes. So now we are going to make a standing line body. So here with the finger we are going to make a standing line. We'll just divide it. So after making standing line, we are going to make dots or circle with the help of fingertips. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As many as you want. See, this activity will help the kids to revise their lines, also the shapes and color recognition also. So here we are again. So now we are going to make eyes. So we are just going to use this white paint and put a dot like this. 1, 2. Okay, a little bigger one because so we'll let this white and black color dry for a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. So after making white eyes, we are going to make the eyeballs again. We are going to use the black color and just a tip is enough. So here put it. Okay, here also. So here are our two ladybugs. One is, this is my work and this is the work of my 4-year-old daughter. I hope you like our video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching Potion for Learning.